Good morning, dear students of class 7th. Beta, in previous class, we have completed our chapter, A Good Citizen. So today, I am going to discuss all the question and the answer of this chapter, okay? So the first question is given here. Where did Rachel go for her vacation? So answer is Rachel went to Mysore for her vacation. Next question is given. Why were Rachel and his parents excited? सी हियर बेटा यहाँ पे हीज बाय मिस्टेक टाइप हो गया है और इसी वजह से आंसर में भी गलत हो गया है. तो आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में सही करेंगे. वाई वर रचल एंड हर पेरेंट्स एक्साइटेड? बिकॉज रचल इज अ नेम ऑफ गर्ल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, हीज की जगह क्या करना है आपको, हर करना है. ठीक है. सिमिलरली आंसर में भी यू हैव टू मेक इट व्हाट, हर. हियर रचल एंड हर, here you have to write what, her, her. Rachel and her parents were excited because they were going to visit the Vrindavan garden. Next question number C. Why did Rachel want to make, what did Rachel want to make for herself? So answer is given here. Rachel wanted to make a bouquet, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. What is the pronunciation of this one? Bouquet. You know very well what is the meaning of bouquet. So Rachel wanted to make a bouquet for herself. Now the next question, D question. How did the old man fall and who helped him? Okay. So the old man tripped. Tripped means ठोकर खाना. And fell down. The old man tripped and fell down. Full stop. Rachel's aunt helped him. Next one. E part. What must we do when we see anyone in trouble? We must help. Answer. We must help people when we see anyone in trouble. Now the F part. What should be the qualities of good citizen? So the answer is given here. Qualities of good citizen are following. First one, a good citizen always helps people who are in trouble. Trouble. And the next quality, you have to hear what, you have to give one small point and here the next small point. Okay, then you have to write here the second point. A good citizen always take care of the people around him or her just like his her own family. Okay, this line you don't have to write. यहाँ पे जो लास्ट लाइन है इसको आपको नहीं लिखना है. क्या लिखना है आपको? A good citizen always take care of her. A good citizen always take care of the people अराउंड हिम. देखिए यहाँ से लिखना आपको, बस ये लाइन नहीं लिखनी है. मैं आपको अभी अंडरलाइन करके दिखा देती हूँ कौन सी लाइन नहीं लिखनी है आपको. बस ये वाला नहीं लिखना है, बाकी लिखना है. फिर से सुन लीजिए आंसर एफ पार्ट का. अ गुड सिटीजन ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ द पीपल अराउंड हिम हर जस्ट लाइक हीज ऑब्लिक हर ओन फैमिली. ओके, in this way we have finished this question. Now we have some fill in the blanks, like we have word power. Next question is what? In word power we have certain questions. The instruction is given, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So here is Neeta is planning to visit Kashmir in summer. What should be the correct word here? तो vacation, यहाँ पे vacation सही है. Next one is what? Garima is dash to see her gift. तो क्या हो जाएगा here? Excited. Next, the teacher spoke to Manish. What here? What should be here? Politely. Okay, this one is politely. Next is what? Karthik enjoyed his ride on the bicycle. Here is what? Enjoyed, this word. Okay, D part में ये वाला word होगा. Now the E part. Preeti's irresponsible behavior has caused her a lot of trouble. Okay, so here is what? Irresponsible. in E part. In this way we have finished this one. My dear student, it seems to me that this is very much small, that is why I made it little larger. Okay, इसलिए अभी मैं दोबारा से इसको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स बता देती हूँ, क्योंकि पिछले वाले वीडियो में क्वेश्चन आंसर भी था और फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स था, तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉल लग रहा था, इसलिए मैं दोबारा से इसमें बता दे रही हूँ. In the word power we have to fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Few words are given. Irresponsible, you know very well. Enjoyed, vacation, excited, politely. Politely क्या होता है? विनम्रता. Excited means बहुत उत्साहित होना. Vacation, you know, छुट्टी, holiday. Enjoyed, that means fun. And irresponsible, that means one person who is not responsible at all. So here is what Neeta is planning to visit Kashmir in summer. What should be here? Vacation. Now Garima is dashed to see her gift. Obviously what should be here? Excited. The teacher spoke to Manish what? Politely. Okay. Next Karthik would dash his ride on the bicycle. Ride क्या होता है? बाइसिकल जो हम लोग चलाते हैं उसको राइड बोलते हैं. ओके, तो व्हाट शुड बी हियर? कार्तिक enjoyed his ride on the bicycle. Now the last one, Preeti, is dash behavior has caused her a lot of trouble. So what should be here? Irresponsible. Okay, in this way we have finished this part also. Now we have another part in front of you. Here you have to match the following. Okay, so match the words given in the column A with their meaning given in column B. So here is the first one, what? Fountain. So what is the correct answer of fountain? You have to match fountain with what? Fountain, that means the last one. Fountain, it is water that is forced up into the air through a small hole. So A part का आंसर ये वाला हो जाएगा, यानी इसके सामने just in front of the fountain you have to write the correct answer. And what is the correct answer? This one, water that is forced up into the air. Similarly the waste, what should be the answer here? Useless things throw in the dustbin. So for B part it is the answer. Next one, tripped. Tripped means what? Here just try to find out. To hit your feet against something and fall. So this one is for the C part. Okay, and here is what? Plucked. You know very well pluck का मतलब क्या होता है? To remove flower from its branch. To remove flower from its branch. Now the next one is what? Bouquet. Bouquet means what? Bunch of flowers. Guldasta. Okay. In this way we have finished this one also. The next one is write the feminine gender of the following masculine gender. Here some masculine gender has been given here, जो पुरुष जाति को दिखाते हैं. Now you have to write the स्त्रीलिंग, write the feminine gender. So as we have uncle, what is the feminine gender of uncle? It is aunt. A-U-N-T. A-U-N-T, aunt. Sorry, let me enlarge it. Okay, now it is little enlarged. Uncle, what should be here? A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay, uncle ka aunt. Now the next one is what? Old man. So what should be here? Old woman. W-O-M-A-N. And next one is what? Father. Father, what is the feminine gender of father? So here is what? Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Now the next one is what? Headmaster. So here what should be here? Headmistress. M-I-S-T-R-E-S-S. Headmistress. Now the next one is what? Landlord. Landlord कौन होता है? घर का मालिक, जमीन का मालिक. ठीक है, landlord. So here is what? Landlady. The feminine gender of landlord is what? Landlady. The next one is what? Milkman. So here will be what? Milk woman. Spelling of milk woman. Milk, you know very well, women. W-O-M-A-N. Okay, M-A-N. W-O-M-A-N. Okay, don't write E, otherwise it will become what? The plural. Here is what? You have to use the punctuation mark, like the capital letters, full stop, comma, question mark, and the inverted comma, whatever necessary. पंक्चुएशन मैं आपको फिर से दोबारा पढ़ाऊँगी व्हेन आई विल स्टार्ट ग्रामर पोर्शन, ठीक है। तो पंक्चुएशन मैं फिर से पढ़ाऊँगी, बट थोड़ा बहुत इसमें देख लीजिए। आपको इसमें ये बोला जा रहा है कि जहाँ भी कैपिटल लेटर लगाना है, जहाँ भी कॉमा लगाना चाहिए, वहाँ आप लगाइए। एंड दैट ऑल टॉपिक्स कम अंडर व्हाट द पंक्चुएशन, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे देखिए इन द फर्स्ट ए पार्ट इट इज़ रिटन हियर रचल इज ऑन अ वेकेशन, ओके। सो हियर आर इज स्मॉल, सो मेक इट कैपिटल, ओके। तो पंक्चुएशन का पहला रूल क्या कहता है कि किसी भी सेंटेंस का पहला लेटर हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए, ओके। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, अबाउट 2 million टूरिस्ट विजिट वृंदावन गार्डन। सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर the first letter of the first line is always it should be what in capital letter. So small letter यहाँ दिया हुआ, यहाँ आपको क्या बनाना है capital letter. Similarly कोई भी जब place रहता है तो उसको हम लोग हमेशा क्या करते हैं, पहला letter उसका capital लिखते हैं. So here the Vrindavan garden is a place. So you will write Vrindavan garden in a cap. You will start writing the Vrindavan garden with a capital letter. Now similarly here is also Rachel exclaimed, wow, what beautiful flowers and the fountain are these. Here you have to give what marks of exclamation, okay. It is given like this, and here R should be capital. Make small r capital R and apply here one small comma, okay. Now the next one, aunt, did you know the old man whom you helped? Here you have to give what question mark, aunt, and what here double inverted comma, and make a small letter a big letter, okay, that is capital letter. A यहाँ पे जो छोटा लेटर है इसको आपको क्या करना है, बड़ा लेटर में लिखना है. Now here is also the Ganga, so the first letter should be in capital, the Ganga is a name also. So the Ganga flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh. The first letter should be always capital in letter. Next one is what? Thank you for the nice present, said Tanu. So here what you have to do, double inverted comma you have to give here. Thank you for the nice present, and after that here you have to write what? Said Tanu, and after Tanu you have to apply what? A small comma. So you can do in your copy, but only you have to do in your copy up to match the following, okay. Leave the next question punctuation mark, because when I will start teaching you grammar portion, that time also I will make you understand, I will give you detailed knowledge about this topic. So leave it this for the time being, okay. Thank you very much class. Do it in your copy and show it to me.